Hi, I'm looking for partners. So how would you like to make 100% commission with the upcoming One Funnel Away Challenge? The upcoming One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day challenge that takes people by the hand with daily training, live coaching, and accountability from day 1 to day 30th. It teaches people to build, to grow, to engage, serve, and monetize Facebook groups. So folks like you and me can live the life they want, fueled by the business they build. So I am looking for 50 partners to promote the next One Funnel Away Challenge. This challenge is launching on September 2nd, so we don't have too much time. Just a week and a half or almost 2 weeks. So by signing up, you will get your own affiliate link, shared funnels, email swipes, and other goodies. And every time you share your link and that person purchases the challenge, you will make 100% commission. This is unbelievable. Nothing around that I've seen beats this. So whether they purchase that same day, that same week, a week later, or months, they are sticky cookied to you. You make the commissions. So here's how the challenge works. All you do is pay the $100 and you can pick your plan. Digital only, which means no shipping charges, or both physical, which is this, filled with a lot of goodies, and the digital, but that will cost $19.95 shipping, and if you're international, $29.95. That's just enough to help cover the creation of the whole challenge kit, really. The materials are outstanding. But here's how you make the 100% commission. The first person you sign up for the challenge gets you your $100 back. That's your 100% commission. And every time you share your link with a person who purchases the challenge, you will make 100% commission. What can be better? That's outstanding. So your challenge right now is to take action and complete the tasks given to you. And every day you will have a task for 30 days. So here's the question. Do you have what it takes? If so, then join me in this challenge. You couldn't even buy 1 hour coaching call with any of these trainers in this program, in this challenge for $100. No way. They're so successful and they are leaders in their expertise. And you get 30 days with Russell Brunson, Julie Stowen, and Steven Larson for just $100. That in itself is just crazy. So, what's the catch? I'm sure you're thinking, what's the catch? Okay, so I'll tell you the ulterior motive here is that people are more likely to continue using and sharing ClickFunnels to grow their business. And because ClickFunnels' philosophy is that if they can't make you money, then they don't deserve any of yours. And I think that's a great philosophy, don't you? So, time is of essence here. The next challenge is starting very soon. Registration ends September 1st at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So, act now and join us by clicking here and becoming part of the dream, of the team, of the dream team. So, you'll see where it is that you are to click and act now, because we want you on our team. We'll see you on the other side. Bye.